Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel. In this particular video I'm dropping today, I will be showing you step-by-step video guide on how to upload my latest Bitcoin investment script. Okay, so I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how you'll be able to upload this particular script in just few hours. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to buy a domain name and also buy hosting. So those are the first thing you need to do. So I recommend buying hosting from Namecheap. Okay, so you can as well buy domain name from Namecheap because that's the website I normally make use of when I want to buy my domain name and hosting as well. Okay, so after buying your hosting, that's when you have access to this particular dashboard that you are seeing on your screen right now. So I've already bought my domain name and hosting that I will be using for the purpose of this training. Okay, so after purchasing your hosting and then you log in the way you are seeing on your screen right now, the next thing you need to do is to change your PHP version, because this particular script that we'll be working on, it only work with PHP version 7.3. okay, so all you need to do is to go over to this search bar over here and search PHP. All right, so you will see it here, select PHP version. So you will click on this particular one. Okay, so I've already selected my current PHP version to 7.3. But if you purchase a new hosting, so your own will not be on in 7.3, so you have to change it to 7.3. all right, so the next thing I will need to do right now is that I will need to create a subdomain name for the purpose of this training, because I already have a website on the main directory of this particular domain name that I will be using for this training. So I will need to create a subdomain name. All right, so I will come over here and search for subdomain. All right, so this is the one here. I will search for subdomain. Then I will click on the name that I want to give to the subdomain I want to create. So I will just type training here. All right, I will click outside. So as you can see right now, that's how we are going to access the website, which is training.onlinetrust.cc. all right, so I will click on create. Okay, so as you can see right here, our subdomain name has been created successfully. So I will click on this cPanel logo over here to go back to the cPanel dashboard. Okay, so the next thing I will need to do right now is to click on File Manager. I'll click on File Manager. Then I will have to locate the particular subdomain name we just created, which is training. Okay, this is it over here, training.onlinetrust.cc. I will click on it. So these are the default folder that comes along with the subdomain name. So I will have to delete those folders. Okay, I've already selected them. I will click on delete over here. Okay, so this this subdomain name is empty right now. So we have to upload our script. So to do that, I will click on upload over here. So I will have to go to my system and drag the script. So this is the script right here. This is the script. I will have to drag it over to the cPanel. I will drop it here. All right, so the uploading is complete. So all we need to do is to click on this particular section that says go back to home. So I will click it. So this is the zip file we just uploaded. So I will click on the zip file, then right click. Then I will click on extract. Okay, so the files are extracting right now. The zip file is extracting. Okay, so I will click on close. So those are all the files of the website. So I can delete the zip file right now because we don't need it anymore. I can delete it. I'll trash it. Okay, so those are the files of the website that will be needing. Okay, so the next thing that we'll need to do right now is to create the database for our website. So to create the database, you'll go back to your cPanel dashboard. Then you will locate my SQL database wizard. All right, so I will click on my SQL database wizard. I will give my database a name. So let's say I want to call this database training. Okay, so I will just have to copy that. Then I will give my database a username as well. Okay, I will just have to paste the training item over there. Then I will have to create a password for my database user. So I can just come here and then generate password. Okay, I will copy it. So you have to make sure you paste it somewhere because you'll be needing this password. It's very important. You must paste it somewhere. Very, very important. Okay, so I'll click on create user. All right, so the next thing I will do is that I will copy both my database user and then the database name. So I will do something like this. I will copy it. Then I will come here. I will paste it here as well. All right, so I will click on this all privileges. Then click on make changes. Okay, as you can see here, our database has been created successfully. All right, so you can click on return home over here to go back to the cPanel dashboard. Okay, so the next thing that we'll need to do after creating our database is to come over to that is the place where we uploaded our script. Okay, so you come over to this particular session. Then normally this particular files, this is where we are going to do our database configuration, this .env. But if you on your own cPanel, normally it won't show this particular .env files. So what you need to do if your own is not showing is that you have to come over here, you click on settings. So from settings, you make sure you click this particular place that said show hidden files. Okay, so after clicking on this place here, then you click on save. All right, so that's when the .env file will show. Done it already. I already done it on this particular cPanel. That is why everything is showing as we go to this particular session. So I'm just telling you what to do in case you are not seeing this .env file on your own. Okay, so after doing that, then you have to click on the files, then right click on edit. Okay, click on edit. So this is the place where we are going to do our database configurations. This particular place I just highlighted here. So we'll come here like this. I'll go over to the place where we paste our database details. So I'll copy our database our database name. So this is our database name. So our database name and our database username, they are both having the same name. So I'm going to copy it like this. Then I'll come here. I'll paste. Then I'll come down again. I'll paste. Then I'll copy our database password, which is this one. I'll copy. Then I'll paste it here. I'll paste it right here. Okay. So the next thing I will need to do is that I will need to paste our website URL over here. So I'll come over here like this. Okay. I'll copy our website URL. Okay. Let me check it before I copy. All right. So SSL is not yet active. So I'll just copy it like this. Then I will paste here. All right, so I'll paste here. Then I'll save. So that's how to do the database configuration. So that's what we just did. It's not that difficult. It's very easy something to do. So the next thing that we'll need to do right now is to upload our database file. So to do that, you scroll down, you locate php my admin. Okay, so this is it over here. I'll click on php my admin. Okay, so we're in php my admin right now. Then I will have to locate our database which we created earlier. So our database name is training. So this is it over here. I'll click on it. So after clicking on it, I will click on import. All right, so I want to import our database file right now. So I will click on import. So it will take me to this particular section. Then I will click on choose file. Okay, so this is the database file over here. I will have to click on it, then click open. So after clicking open, I will scroll down and click on go. Awesome, guys. So our database file is uploading right now. It will take some time to complete. Okay, guys. So as you can see right now, our database files have been uploaded successfully. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is to go back to our website. So this is the website. Okay, this is the website homepage. So I'm going to show you how to change everything, how to change those write-up from the admin dashboard. So you can change the write-up, you can change the images, both these plans and so on and so forth. You can change everything from the admin dashboard. Okay, so I will show you the step-by-step video guide on how to make those changes. So you can change those phone number, those email address, those address, everything. You can change everything with just very easy steps. So they are not complicated. You can do everything by yourself from the admin dashboard. Okay, so the next thing that we'll need to do right now is that we'll have to log into the admin dashboard first before we create a user account. Okay, so okay, so this is the admin login link. So I'll have to do something like this now before we're able to log into the admin session. Okay, which means your domain name.com or the extension /admin login/login. So that's the admin login link. I will click on enter. All right, so I will have to put the admin email and then admin password. Okay, I'll do that. Then all right, so I'll click on sign in. Okay, guys, as you can see right now, we have successfully logged in into the admin session of the website. So this is the admin session. So this is where you're able to make a lot of changes to your website. Okay, so but the next thing that I will need to do right now on this admin session, I want to disable the email alerts. Okay, so I'll come over here. I'll click on okay, I'll click on preference, then I will disable the email alert. Okay, so I will tell you the reason why I did that later on. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. As you can see, so we have the total deposit, we have the pending deposit, we have the total withdrawal, we have the pending withdrawal, and so on and so forth. Okay, so we have the investment plans. So you can change the investment plans, you can add new one, you can edit already existing one, you can delete already existing ones. So let's say, for example, I want to edit this particular one. So you have to click on this section, then you can change the name, change the plan price, then you can change the minimum price, so and so on and so forth. You can make all the necessary changes, then click on update. Okay, so you can as well create new plans. You can create new plans over here. Okay, so we have the manage users. So you can manage users. So those are already registered users on this particular website. So because I uploaded the website database, so those users, they are already on the database I uploaded. So that is why they are showing here. Okay, then we have the manage DW, okay, which is manage deposit and withdrawal. All right, so this is where you manage the deposit. So if user want to deposit in their account, so this is where you're going to approve or delete such deposit. Okay, then if user want to withdraw, if user place a withdrawal, so this is where you are going to see everything for you to approve the withdrawal. Okay, then we have the administrators. Okay, so you can add admin to this particular website. Okay, maybe for example you want to add someone as admin so that he will be able to manage the website in case you are not available. Okay, but you don't want to give such person your own login details, so you can just create admin for the person so that you're able to manage this website also. Okay, then we have the app settings. Okay, we are under the settings. We have the app settings over here. All right, we have the website information. So in this particular section, you can change the website name, then change the website title. Then we have the website keyword. You can change it here. Then we have the website URL. So you can change it. So let me change this one right now. So I can do something like this now. All right, so these are website URL. Then we have the website description. You can change the website description also. So we have announcement. So you can change the write-up here, the announcement write-up. So I will show you once we register a user account. So you will see where this announcement will be showing. Okay, so we have the live chat widget code. So if you want to add live chat to your website, like Tawk, so this is where you paste the website code so that it will be reflecting on your website. Then we have the website logo. So this is where you paste. This is where you upload the website logo so that it will display on your website. Okay. Then we have the website favor icon. So you can do that also from this particular session. All right. So we have the preferences. So this is where you put your company email. So you have to just change this particular one to your own company email. Then you click on save. All right. Then we have the referral setting. So from this particular session now, you will be able to like type the particular percentage a user. So you type the particular percentage a user will get if he or she refer someone to your website. Okay, so you can also set registration bonus. So in case someone registers on your website, he or she will get a particular amount as registration bonus. Okay, so then we have the payment settings. So in this particular payment setting, this is where you will be able to configure the payment for your website, the payment that your user would make payment to in case they want to invest. As you can see, there are various payment methods here, so you can configure them. So let's say, for example, now this particular Bitcoin payment method, I want to do some configuration here. So you can change this particular section now, this Bitcoin wallet. You can change it to your own Bitcoin wallet. Then let's say, okay, if you want to add the QR code, your Bitcoin QR code, then you have to paste the QR code link here so that it will display, or you can decide to upload it directly. You can just decide to choose file, okay, whichever way you want. All right, so you can configure everything to suit your taste, to suit the type of work you are doing. Okay, so this particular Bitcoin investment script is very flexible. All right, so after doing all those changes, then you just have to click on save. All right, so there are various payment methods you can add. You can add as many payment methods as possible. You can even add bank transfer, you can add PayPal, you can add Paystack, you can add Stripe, you can add Litecoin, Ethereum, etc. Okay, so that's for that. Then we have the next part I want to show to you guys is the front end settings. All right, through this admin dashboard, you can be able to change the write-up that is showing on the website front end. Okay, so you can change the information that is displaying on this particular front end, so without you needing to go into the coding session. All right, you can do everything from the admin dashboard. So you can see right here, you see how can I withdraw. So those are frequently asked questions. So let me show you here. So this is it right here on the front end of the website. So this is it. You see, okay, can I earn profit every day? So you can change the write-up here. You can change everything here. You can edit. You can decide to edit, then update the write-up. Then you can decide to say, okay, let me just say, let me change this one out to welcome, so that you see that everything will change on the front end. Welcome, okay, welcome to. All right, so I'll update it right now. All right, I just changed the heading on the admin dashboard. So let me refresh it over here now. Let me refresh it and see if this particular how can I withdraw will change to welcome to Eazy-Tech solution. Okay, so let me refresh. So as you can see, it has changed to welcome to Eazy-Tech solution. So that's how to change the write-up. So that's for the FAQ, which is frequently asked question. So you can come over here. Let's say you want to change the testimony. There's a testimonial as well. So you can change the testimonial right here. So you can edit. You can edit this one, or you can decide to add new one, or you can delete it entirely if you don't want testimony on your website. Then we have the website content. So those are the website content. Okay, so you can edit, you can change everything that you are seeing here right now. Those write-up that you are seeing here. So look at them here. So in case you want to change any write-up, you want to change it back to your company name. So this is where you do that. Okay, so you can change everything. You can decide to change the entire write-up. All right, so that's how to do that, guys. So this is an awesome Bitcoin investment script with marvelous features. So guys, I'm trying my best to make sure I show you everything, but a whole lot of things that I won't be able to show you in this particular video. So you find those ones out by yourself once you get these scripts. Okay, so we have the images. So you can change the various images. Okay, so guys, that's all about the front page design. All right, so now we'll go over to the user. All right, I will have to register a user account so that we'll see how the user dashboard looks. Okay, we have been on the admin dashboard since. I've been trying to explain the various steps, the various features of the admin dashboard. So right now we'll go over to the user dashboard. Okay, so now I will be using another browser. Okay, I will just copy the link, the URL, then I will go over to my Opera Mini. All right, so I will paste it here. Okay, so to create a user account right now, so I will click on Get Started. So once I click on Get Started, it will take me to the user registration page. All right, so I will type username for my account. Okay, let's say Eazy-Tech. Okay, I will use Eazy-Tech as my username. Then my full name, let's say Eazy-Tech Solutions. Then email address. Okay, so let's use this one as our email address. Then phone number, I will select this as my phone number. Then password, I will type in my password. Confirm password, I will confirm my password as well. All right, so the country, so let me just select any country from here. So if you have referral ID, maybe if it's someone that is referring the user to the particular website, so the user have to paste the user referral ID here so that particular user will have a commission. Okay, but if you don't have, then you have to leave this place blank. All right, so then I'll click on register. Okay, so awesome, guys, awesome. So this is the user dashboard. As you can see right here, it said welcome Eazy-Tech solution, so which is my full name. All right, so this is the user dashboard. You can see how awesome it is, how beautiful it looks. So this is a well organized Bitcoin investment script. Okay, it's a well-organized Bitcoin investment script. As you can see, those are the various features. As you can see right now, this particular account is showing 00. We have the profit record. So this account has not earned any profit yet. So that's why you are seeing this side is showing no data recorded in table. Okay, so we have the transaction history. No transaction history yet. We have the crypto exchange. Okay, so you can also exchange your cryptocurrency on this particular website. Okay, so this is the cryptocurrency exchange page. We have the invest. Okay, so we have the select plan. So those are the plans that you create from the admin dashboard. Okay, once you create any plan, any investment plan, it will show on the user dashboard as well. Okay, so the user can easily invest on his or her preferred plans. So those are the various features of the user dashboard. Okay, so if you remember, I told you you can set the you can set a registration bonus on the account. So I left that particular one at $5, so that's why you see this account having $5 as bonus, as registration bonus. So if you put it to 0, which means there won't be any registration bonus. Okay, so I will still go back there and show you how to do that. All right, so let's say if a user wants to fund his or her account, this is where he will click. Let's say he will click on fund account. So those are the various payment methods that are available on this particular website right now. You can change them from the admin dashboard. Okay, let's say I want to invest, I want to fund my account with $500. So after typing the amount here, then I will select the payment method I want to make use of. Let's say I want to make use of Bitcoin. I've already selected it. So you are seeing it showing here, showing okay, you are seeing it displaying there. Then I will click on proceed to payment. All right, awesome guys. So as you can see right now, you see Bitcoin address. So the user have to copy this Bitcoin address and make payment. Okay, so after making payment, the admin will need to approve such payment from the admin dashboard. Okay, so let's say for example I've sent the payment of $500, $5,000 to this particular Bitcoin wallet address. Then I'll have to send the proof along with it. Okay, I will send the payment proof. You see, upload payment proof after payment. All right, so let's say I will select the payment proof. Let me use this as our payment proof. Then I'll click on open. Then I will submit. Okay, he said unaccepted image upload. So I'll have to select another image from my system. Let's say, okay, let me just select this particular one. Then I will click on submit payment. Okay guys, so as you can see right now, it said account fund successful. Please wait for system to validate this transaction. Okay guys, so what he's trying to say now is that this particular payment that the user have made is under verification. So the admin need to verify and approve the payment before it will reflect on his or her account. So I will go over to the admin dashboard right now. Then I will have to approve the transaction so that it will reflect on the user account. Okay, so I will come here. So this is the admin account, as you already know. Then I will click on this. Okay, since the user is making deposit, so I will click on manage deposit. Okay, I will click on manage deposit. So this is the account I created, and this is the amount, which is $5,000, and the payment method is Bitcoin. And as you can see, the status is on pending. So the admin will need to process this particular payment before it will reflect in the user account. Okay, so I will click on process over here. Let's see, I've already seen the Bitcoin, the $5,000 Bitcoin payment. So processed. So you see the status of the transaction has changed to processed. All right, so we'll go over to the user account right now and refresh. Awesome, guys, awesome. So as you can see right now, the $5,000 is already showing on the user account. $5,000 plus the $5 registration bonus. So that is why you see it showing like this. So this is the total deposit, while this one is the total bonus. Okay, so that's how to deposit money into your Bitcoin wallet address through this particular investment script. Awesome, guys. So I hope you are enjoying this particular video, because I'm trying to take my time to explain every step bit by bit so that you will understand how this particular Bitcoin investment script work. Okay, so if a user wants to withdraw funds now, so that is when it will make use of these withdraw funds. So the user have to confirm his or her password. Okay, click on confirm. So after confirming, he has to select the particular payment, the particular withdrawal method. Let's say it's Bitcoin. Let's say I want to select Bitcoin as the withdrawal method. So the user will need to enter amount to withdraw, then enter OTP. Okay, so the OTP is very important because the user will need the OTP to complete this particular transaction. Okay, so the user can get the OTP by clicking on request OTP. So the OTP will be sent to the user email address that he will need to complete the transaction. Okay, so that's about that. So the next thing I will teach you, I will show you guys now, is how to manually credit a user account, okay, from the admin dashboard. So there are various features, there are various functions you can perform from the admin dashboard. So you can credit a user account, you can debit a user account, you can do all sorts of things. You can even log in the user account without having his or her password. Okay, so let me go back to the admin dashboard and show you the step-by-step guide on how to do that. Okay, so to do that, I will click on manage users. All right, so as you know already, this is the user account we created just now, we created earlier. So I'll click on manage. Okay, so once I click on manage, then I will select the particular action I want to perform in the user account. So those are the various actions that you can perform. So you can use, as you can see here, we have the login activity, we have the block, we have the turn off trade, we have the credit/debit, we have reset password. You can even reset the user password. You can clear accounts, you can add trading history, you can edit the user account, you can send the user email. Okay, then you can log in the user account. So let's say, for example, now I want to credit a user account from the admin dashboard. So I will have to make use of this particular section that say debit/credit. Okay, so I will type in the amount. Let's say I want to credit the user account with $200. Then you select the particular column, which is if it's going to be bonus, profit, referral bonus, account balance, or deposit. So the particular section of the user account that you want this particular $200 to reflect. Let's say I want to credit it on a profit. I want it to show on profit. So I will select whether it's debit or credit. So definitely I'm crediting the account. I will click on credit, then submit. Okay, so I've already added $200 to the user account. So let me go back to the user account and refresh. Okay, so as you can see right now, the $200 is already showing on the user account. So this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. So you see it's showing in a total profit because I added it to profit. All right, so that's how to credit a user account manually from the admin dashboard. Okay, so guys, I've tried my best to make sure I show you the various feature of this particular script, although there are a lot of things that are still available for you to know yourself once you purchase this, once you have this particular script. So in case you need it, you need it for your business, so you can always contact me with the numbers showing on this video. So this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. You are going to enjoy every bit of this script. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. Please check my channel to see other videos which I have posted earlier. Thank you. God bless you.